friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Arjun, already your best friend. Come on. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of pomfret fry. Here we have taken curd, fresh fish, washed, and ginger. So this is garlic paste, this is ginger paste. These are all the 4 masalas which are ready. Salt, turmeric, red chili powder and garam masala, lemon juice fresh and some butter. Take the fish. First I'm gonna put this into this. Now Now we'll mix it properly. Smelling nice, isn't it? I wish even you could smell it too. It's too. So now I'm gonna dip this yummy thing inside this. Looking delicious. Smell is beautiful. This white beauty. Beauty in it. Fast process. I guess yummy. Looks so yummy. How will it taste? Mommy, my God. Phew, the last. So all my things are done. I'll just get my hand washed. So just put little. So now our fish is ready for marination. So let's wait for 30 minutes. Ready, marinated for 30 minutes. You should always use an iron pan because it gives nice vitamins and minerals. So now, first start, we apply butter on the pan. Fish is ready to be put on the pan. Then one more. One further with the another. That's got some awesome taste. Let's see what. That's quite yummy. I never knew I have to call my mommy. Mommy will be very happy. I'm gonna put more butter. So done. My fish is dancing now. That's 3 cheers because the fish is really nicely cooked. 3 cheers. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Now I'm gonna remove it in the serving dish. Likewise I'm doing other pieces also. I don't guess I'm doing it nicely. These are ready to be served. This is ready. Let's meet in the next video. Till the time, be happy. Remember, good eating gives good habits.